Hi guys, this is Vaishak from Rakuten SixthSense, and today I'll be going over of how to install an APM agent onto your local application, and how it's basically configured with the SixthSense agent, your application. I'll be going over the documentation. I'll start off with the Java agent and find an application for also you guys to test out as you follow the video if you want to. So I found one GitHub repo called Robot Shop. It's pretty simple. Like it has a good microservice architecture with like Java, Node, Python, which will be coming up in the future videos. So yeah, I'll be using this application to test this out, and let's follow the documentation. So assuming we have all the prerequisites, let's start. So first we have to download the agent. So you have to provide a private token, and you have to specify the agent version. All right, so the agent version that I'll be using is I think 1.10. Yeah, so let's start off. Okay, so this is the repo of the application itself. I've pre-downloaded this, and I'm gonna be starting now. So I think shipping is the Java micro architecture, like it's based on Java. So this is the one, shipping, and let's start off by using this command. So yeah, I just missed that out. So the agent version I will be using is 1.10. So you have to add v1.10. So the private token is going to be provided by the onboarding team. So I just change that. I'll be using the one given to me. Make sure there's a space right there, as you can see. Alright, so now you can see the agent.zip has been downloaded, and I'll just unzip that. Okay, first, okay, so once you've done this, we have to unzip the agent. Cool. So the agent is unzipped. We can remove the agent.zip, and then now I think there's a few configurations that need to be done. So first we have to change the service name. This name is the one that'll appear in your SixthSense portal, and this can be set to false. Yeah, this actually should be default, so don't worry too much about that. The access token will be in your portal. You just need to go to settings and copy the access token right here, and then this is the collector URL that I'll be using. I think this one should work itself, so let's just start doing that. So I'll go to agent config, and yeah, so the application name, so I'll be naming it, let's see, demo shipping Java, and I'm gonna add the token right here, agent.authentication. Yeah, that's the token I've pasted, and here I'm going to be changing the collector URL. I think we can use the one in the documentation itself. We can check the problem. Alright, I'm gonna save this, and yeah, all 3 steps have been done. So now we have to go modify the Docker file. So this is what I was thinking to modify the Docker file. So you know what? Alright, so this is the original Docker file. Now here I'm going to copy the agent into the working directory. Copy agent into /agent, and let's head into the documentation to get a better understanding. Okay, so once I've done that, once I've done copy agent, yeah, so once I've done that, I need to add this line into the command line. So let's see. Okay, that's good. I think that's it. Yeah, so that should be it. All right, so then I think you also need to change some stuff in the Docker Compose. You have to head over to shipping and change the image name so that it doesn't pull from a remote repo. All right, I'm done. Now we can start the Docker Compose. And this should take some time. All right, it should be running now. Let's head over to localhost 8080. All right, perfect. So now let's add some items into our cart. All right, now checkout, and this is shipping. This usually takes a while because it has to fetch some data from a remote database, so it will take some time. All right, so let me put India, let me put Bangalore, calculate, confirm, pay, and done. So I think we should start seeing some load. Let's put it to last 5 minutes. Yes, you can see some endpoints and you can see the load. So that is it, guys. Let's see some traces actually. Yeah, get traces too. Yeah, pretty much cool. So that is it for this installation. Thank you for watching.